Hey, what's up, you guys? I just want to do a quick review and basically the measurements for this Cantonese flat noodle maker. And I'll have some links to the Amazon for this. But I did another video with this, and a lot of people asking me how big was this and what's the size of it. This is going to be an average size for all the ones I put in the link in video description below. But this sits on top of the stove and you can make flat noodle. But it's a square piece, okay? Square. And this is in inches, as you can see. It's a 12, about 12 and 1/4 inches. Okay? 12 and 1/4 inches. And you can convert this to centimeters if you want. Just go to Google and type in 12 inches and then convert that to centimeters. And that is about the size. As you can see, this is a square. So right here, it should be 12 also. Let me double check. Yeah, so it seems to be a perfect square. And this have handles. There's different kinds and different brands, okay? So not all of them are going to come with handles. But this handle is just useful for moving it a little bit. And the trays, they slide out. So you can slide it out and put the Chinese flat noodle. Basically, Chinese flat noodle is just flour and water. Flour and water. You put it on, and then you could put some egg, green onion, cilantro, some minced meat like pork, or it's even better if you just cook like meat that's cooked already, or sausage. You put it on here, and that's one layer. And then this is the second layer. You see? And this is very easy to clean. It's stainless steel, so you can just scrub it. Now, it does a little bit harder to clean the edges, so what you want to do is stick like a sharp knife and a cloth, and you can clean the edges fairly easily. And you put water in here, okay? You can put almost like 2 inches of water, but I would recommend just putting like 1 inch of water, and it heats up fast. See, this is the lid. It's very flimsy lid, but it's fine, but you don't really need to open this lid or anything. And this is pretty much how it works. Now, it does come with a little plastic thing. So the plastic thing is going to help you scrape the noodles, okay? It's just a little plastic rectangle, and it helps you scrape it all up. And then you put the noodles on the plate. And then you can put some light soy sauce. You want to make sure you put some cooked soy sauce that's already cooked. And then you put it on the Chinese flat noodle, and then you can eat it. And this is like the same noodles that you find on a dim sum restaurant, so you can make this at home. And this, how much does it cost? I have a link to Amazon, but it depends on the brand. And some of them is a little more fancy with like a wood handle. So it goes anywhere from $50 to like $80, okay? And this is on Amazon. So this is why I recommend you buy this. This is a very, very good investment. If you like Chinese flat noodle, the same kind that you get from the dim sum restaurant, or if you're Asian, Chinese, or if you just like flat noodles, definitely get one. This is a very, very good investment, and it's going to save you a lot of time because you can cook 2 layers at a time. And the good thing about it is this cooks very, very, very fast compared to if you use a wok and use a plate. That's very, very, very slow. This is very, very fast, and it makes the best tasting noodles. So thank you for watching, and make sure to check it out on the video description below.